Hi, I'm Trey Zapeta, a strength and performance coach. I'm here today to show you how to keep the cardiovascular system healthy. A couple of things. One way that you can do it is be active throughout the day. Consistent exercise on a daily basis is going to change everything about what you do. Eating, that's another good way to help your cardiovascular system. Eat good foods, high fiber foods. Try to help lower that cholesterol. Stay hydrated on a regular basis. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Another good thing is being active. One good way to stay active in an exercise throughout the day is maybe rowing, an erg machine. Stationary rowing is one great way. Another good way, good old-fashioned jumping rope. Find a rope, jump it for a while. You can change up your footwork or you can just do it. We all know how to jump rope, and if you don't, just hop up and down. It's simple as that. Another good way is find you a stationary bike. Climb on it and pedal away. It doesn't have to be long. It can be a short amount of a time. You can increase your time as you start to become more fit. But the number one thing in all of this and keeping that cardiovascular system healthy is to maintain activity on a daily basis. Don't be sedentary. Don't be stationary. We were designed to move, and we need to keep moving. So remember, exercise, eat good, and drink plenty of water. Those are the ways that are going to help you out. If you're not real sure on where your body's at, remember to always check with the physician and see what level you're at. Knowing where you're at, so you got a good place to start, and you can always find your way where you need to finish. Exercise is the best way to go, and a healthy heart and a healthy cardiovascular is the best thing to do for you. Live long and prosper. Thanks. I'm Trey Zapeta. I appreciate the time, and I thank you for watching.